Hello friends, I welcome you all. Today I'll be speaking on Jio Facebook mega deal which took place yesterday. In this digital transformation age, it is a mega deal which took place between Facebook and Reliance Jio. With Facebook acquiring 9.99% stake in Reliance Jio for 43,574 crores, which is equivalent to $5.7 billion. It is the largest deal in the technology space, the largest FDI investments in India, a big leap towards the digital transformation in India. Facebook is now the largest minority interest shareholder. The receipts will be used by Jio to repay its debts. Facebook acquired Instagram in the year 2012 for $1 billion in cash. So is Facebook acquired WhatsApp for $19 billion. That is a huge sum. So Facebook had always been an aggressive buyer and has always paid premiums. On to the analytical parts. Onto the analytical side, we compare two telecom companies with enterprise value of Airtel and Jio. So enterprise value before this deal, Airtel is valued at $50 billion. Jio is valued at $66 billion. Post this mega deal, Jio would gain about 10 to $15 billion in valuations. EV by EBITDA, Airtel is valued 9 to 9.5 times, with Jio at 12 to 13 times. So it is clear-cut advantage Jio. On to the synergies. With WhatsApp being majorly used in India, Jio will gain access to 300 to 400 billion users in India, wherein WhatsApp is most commonly used medium for communication in India. Reliance had also tied up in the year 2019 with Microsoft Technologies for Azure cloud technology, wherein Reliance will set up networks for data centers to gain unlimited access to the cloud. So it is clear-cut advantage Reliance Jio. Reliance Jio will now be valued at whopping 4.63 lakh crores. It is a big leap in the digital transformation in India. Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagrams will be used at Jio platforms. Jio Mart is the Reliance retail new e-com platform. So Jio Mart shall connect to nearly 3 crore Kirana stores by using WhatsApp. It's a move as per our Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of ease of living and ease of doing business. In future, Jio intends to connect with Kisan, MSME companies, students, teachers, healthcare, women, and youth. With Facebook being a long-term financial partner, it will give huge value to Reliance Jio's IPO. Further, it will give a healthy competition to Flipkart's, Amazon, and Paytm. possible stake sale of 20% to Saudi's Aramco for around $12 billion could be delayed by this deal. This money will be used to repay the debts and make company debt free on cash basis by 31st March 2021, as stated by the managing director of Reliance Jio. Thank you all, and I'll keep you updating on important aspects.